Craft is the perfect place to organize your life, from your work projects to your travel plans. Sometimes, though, you just need to quickly capture an idea or thought, and when inspiration strikes, you want your tools at your fingertips. Here's how to open your daily note on your iPhone with just 2 taps, combining Apple shortcuts and a handy accessibility feature to give you nearly instant access to Craft. To get started, open the Shortcuts app on any iOS device. Create a new shortcut by tapping the plus symbol in the top right, then search for Craft in the search bar. Next, choose Open Document. From here, you can select a space and then select the Today document. Now you've created a shortcut to open your daily note whenever triggered. You can add a widget to your home screen to trigger the shortcut, or if you have an iPhone 8 or later, you can connect the shortcut to a back tap for an even faster workflow. To set this up, go to Settings, Accessibility, Touch, and at the bottom of the screen, you'll see Back Tap. Select it and set the double tap to your Open Document shortcut. Now, whenever you double tap on the back of your phone, your daily note will immediately open. For more Craft quick tips and shortcuts, subscribe to the Craft YouTube channel.